Good morning, everyone. It's cloudy day and it's good to work. So for today, first thing in the morning, car wash girl muna ako ngayon. So let's do this. And then next, spray with ceramic coating. Those blues like that. There. Ayan, very clean again our car. Shiny. So the car is protected from the rain and the sun again. Ganda na naman. Shining, shiny. Sasakyan na hindi ko naman dinadrive kasi hindi pa ako marunong masyado. Although nobody sitting at the back, need to clean, so everything is clean. It looks like we're done, guys. Wow. Another productive day on Nina's Day Vlogs. Wow. So we're done. For how many? For at least an hour, I became a car wash and car cleaner girl. Okay, to complete, to finish, spray the tire. Makita.
In my way, that's right.
Foggy. It's just like, it looks like snow. Snow. Wow, it's like there is typhoon now. When you wash the car, it's time it's rain. My God. Ano ba yan? Wag mo naman sayangin yung aming effort. But it's just passing rain. It's raining. I just checked our side yard because I was planning to pick second harvest for the calamansi later. But for now, we are going out. After cleaning the car, we need to treat ourselves. Nah, we are just going to pick up some lunch for today, so I will not be cooking. Lunch and dinner actually. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're here. We park. I'm inside the car and hubby picked our lunch and dinner. So it's a Vietnamese food for today. We are here in front of 450. Oh, there, it's ready. Very quick. So let's go. Hubby went to the other restaurant and asking me what I like. It's a Japanese restaurant. What should I eat in there? Additional for the Vietnamese food. It's either sushi, butterfish. He went inside, guys. So maybe... Oh my God. He want more food. Yes, reserve for another day. Reserve the Japanese food for another day.
Funny, yeah, this guy.
Plenty people inside?
Where? This one,
This
yeah.
one, yeah.
Yeah, like four
Oh,
in there.
they open 7 days. Dine-in is closed, so only take out.
Cash only.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Oops, I don't like, look at this. So they gave us 2 chopsticks and some tissues. Oh, look at the container. I love Hawaii. Nice. Let's open. Oops. Wow, looks delicious. So it comes with the sauce and then get noodles. These are peanuts, egg rolls, the pork barbecue. Inside get lettuce. Okay, so in there, inside get bean sprouts, lettuce, cucumber. There. Mm. Oops. There. So pour like that. That's it. Hi everyone. So I am here in my working table. I have here an old bed sheet. So I will try to make some pillowcase. I am just starting, so practice muna. And I think the easiest to make is pillowcases. So, tingnan natin. If I can make one today, then it will be a good start for me. I am enjoying with my sewing machine. It's really a good decision to buy sewing machine. Okay, so I'm done cutting the fabric, one piece. Ito siya. Okay, and I'm thinking I will put a little bit accent into this one. So I have here another fabric, another kind. Ayan, tapos na naman yung other side. Ang ganda naman. Have my... Wow. I like what I'm doing. Enjoy. So, ito, ilalagay ko lang na parang accent nung pillowcase. Siyempre, yung gagawin ko, yung simple lang muna. Basic muna tayo. Mukhang okay naman siya. So, it looks like that. So, I ran out of thread in the bobbin. So, right now, I am winding. This will be very fast. I need to make it full so I can just make stitches long time. Okay, so that's full now. Ayan siya. Napakadali lang. Okay, and now I'm ready again. So first, let me put this. Lagay ko muna, mag-threading muna ako. Ito na naman yung mahirap dahil I need my glasses. Ang liit-liit naman kasi ng hole. O yun. One time. Ayan na siya. Lumabas na yung thread. Ganyan lang kabilis mag-threading. So, okay na. Everything is set. Okay. Malapit na siyang matapos, guys. Hala. Tapos na yung first pillowcase. Oh my God. Remove first the pin. Sana okay siya. I hope. Mag-e-edging ako mamaya. Tingnan ko muna kung okay. Na-excite naman siya. Ay, na-excite naman ako. Ganan natin yung aking cutie. Sewing machine. Ang ginawa ko nga pala guys, yung merong stopper sa loob para hindi lumabas yung pillow. I will surprise hubby later. I get something. It's not bad. So this is my pillowcase. I put something like that. So it's not boring. Oh wow. Let me see if I get pillow in here. I think for a start, not bad. Okay, one down. 3 more to go. I will make 3 more like this. Ooh, I get pillowcase. So, eto sila. 1, 2, 3, and 4. O, diba? Okay na din. So, see you again next time. For those who are still new to my channel, please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. And for those regular viewers, my friends and subscribers, thank you very much. So, see you again next video or later. I'm not sure yet. Thanks for watching.